Bati CTV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma Haga Sngi Balang Ka Arpusantri Ujemang Arjar Arpuar Ule Thu Bola Phah Tohkit Har Katnat Pulit Halor Ka Jingjia Hakishnong Malangkona Bat Ongru Baula Dep Yakren Batu Menteri Rangba Kejela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma Halor Kani Ka Jingjia Conrad Sangma Ule Thu Bau Himanta Ula Kular Ba Un Sapatha Yau Superintendent of Police Jongka District Ban Pej Ba Kum Kini Ka Jingjia Kem Deishu Bandangja Nangni Shakman
our police to investigate on this issue. And last evening itself, I had a discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. And he has assured me that necessary instructions will be given to the SP and the police of the district to ensure that these kind of situations do not happen again. And we need to make sure that whatever the situation may be, we need to handle it with care, and we need to show restraint. And he was also concerned about this issue, and he has assured me that he will get the necessary actions done in terms of informing them that these kind of incidents should not happen in the future, and the police will be asked and informed and instructed to maintain restraint, especially keeping in mind that discussions regarding the border issue are still on. So therefore, to avoid any kind of confusion, any aggravation of situation, these kind of acts should be avoided. I have asked Honorable CM that necessary action should be taken, and these kind of incidents should not be allowed to happen in the future. I have said it again and again that the review is something that is not going to happen. We have gone ahead with this agreement, and I am happy to meet them if they would like to meet and discuss the matters with me. And last time also, I'll just give you a very, very small example. This again is something that is a question that needs to be understood, and I think people will understand that what the wrong messaging can do. So there was a village that came, and now the list that was there was 23 villages. Now, when the committee went into the field, 36 villages were actually met, because at that point in time everybody just came. While we went into those 36 villages, I can't remember the exact number, but of course I remember 13 were not in the initial list of disputed areas. Out of this 13, so exact number I don't remember in this one, that there were some which were already in Meghalaya, and there were some which were already in Assam. They were never part of dispute. Now what happened was, when the final list came out, the villages that were not in Meghalaya were not included in the list. But that does not mean that those villages are not in Meghalaya, because they were already in Meghalaya. So the two states said, well, the villages that are not in the disputed zones, why do we include them in this thing? And we can't include because the list was made final in 2011. So when the villagers of this one village came to me, and they were very upset that they had been left out, and they said, we were always part of Meghalaya, we've always been there, how come our list was not there in the areas of the areas that were sorted out? So when that happened, I asked them, where is your village? Show me the point. So when they showed me, I told them, you're already in Meghalaya, you're never in the disputed area, and there's no question of you being sent anywhere. So what I'm trying to say is that they thought that because their name was not in the list, they thought that they have been sent to Assam. But the point is that those villages were among those list of 13 which were already either in Assam or in Meghalaya and never were part of the disputed area. But because their name did not come in the list, they thought that they were being left out and being sent to Meghalaya. So when they left my room, after 1 hour of discussion with me, they were very happy. So like that, there are many such instances where there's a confusion as to what's happening. So we're happy to clarify to them. And as I said, Deputy Commissioner is there who's on the ground. Our local MLAs are there. Local MDCs are there who are on the ground. So they will be able to take up the matter. And if necessary, I have met many groups, and if necessary, we can always have further discussions also.